Hi guys, today I will show you how to find out who gave you a full view on your video. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about to help you how to grow your audience and channel. If you're first time here, please hit the subscribe button so next time you don't miss anything. Today I will show you how you can check if someone leave a comment and say, I watch your whole video, full view, and you know where he is from. You can check that after 2 days, after 48 hours, he's telling you the truth or he just leave a comment and actually lie you. Today I'm gonna show you with this video that was a live on 20 January. So go to Video Manager, find the video which you want to check, and click here. It doesn't matter which one, like or dislike, just click here, directly to Analytic. Then you go to Watching Time. You can leave here 365 days, that's 1 year, or you can put last 7 days, whatever you want. Depends when you upload your video. So just like 7 days before or something like that. So right now I got a 56-hour watching time and 347 views. So that's all from 347 views. I got all 56 hours. Now let's take example. We're gonna go on comments and let's find one comment. Okay, here. This is one of my viewer and pretty good viewer and subscriber and supporter. And thank you so much, Kong. I'm gonna use this time to thank you. So he said on a comment he watched my video 11 minutes and 40 seconds. So how to find out is that truth or lie? We need to know where he is from. So let's go check it out. Where he is from. Let's go about Vietnam. Okay. So I guess I'm pretty sure I don't have too much people from Vietnam. Probably just him or maybe 1 or 2 more. Go back to Analytic. Go to Map. And let's find the Vietnam. So it's gonna be, okay, here. Click on this map. So 1 view. So only him. If it's anybody else, it's supposed to be more than like 12, 13 minutes. He told me 11 minutes and something, 11:40. Okay. Let's find out, is that true? Yeah, this is true. 12 minutes and 24 seconds. Probably he was more than he said. And thank you so much for that. I appreciate that. So guys, I'm from Bosnia. There is no much people from Bosnia who watch your video. And if I said I watch your whole video, I mean full view, you can check me. So guys, this is one way how you can find who actually told you the truth. This guy, he tell me the truth. Actually, he watched more than he said here. And thank you so much. This is all, guys. I hope I help you with this. If you are first time here on my channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and see you soon. Thank you.